The only thing I gotta say is don't miss this. This is a review and bonus for GPT Store Exposed. Now, this is another awesome training that just came out with James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier. Now, I'll tell you what, this here has a really small front-end price. They do have quite a few upsells in here, but I'll tell you what, the information inside of this front-end course is phenomenal. And the reason that is because this is showing you one of those once-in-a-lifetime opportunities, like when the internet first came out, or when the App Store first came out, or when stuff like cryptocurrency first came out. This is something that even if you don't pick up this offer, you need to be on top of this right now. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where you have the ability to either make some right now money with getting sales, be able to build your list, be able to get new customers, or be able to send a lot of organic traffic to your website. This here, I'll tell you, what is inside is phenomenal. Now, I recently did another review on one of the other products that they created, which was a powerhouse with the front end. Once again, they stuffed tons and tons of information inside this front end. Now, I am going to be including my new TikTok Shop affiliate backdoor access training that's going to show you how to be able to get your backdoor access for TikTok Shop affiliate and start making commissions without having 5,000 followers, plus ways to be able to get tons and tons of free products without being on that site to get the limited freebies. So you'll be able to get a lot of free products to be able to review on the TikTok Shop affiliate platform, so you can scoop in a bunch of commissions. But let's go ahead and go through the sales page really quick. We'll go through the back end on this so that you can go ahead and see what it is, and then I'll show you some recent results that I got with this strategy. This just came open, this particular strategy, just a couple of days ago, and this is already on fire, and it's already making people money. It's already getting people tons of subscribers, and this is something you need to jump on immediately. So let's go ahead and dive into the back end, and we will go ahead and see after the sales page. So basically, it's telling you about being able to get massive profits. It's talking about the GPT store. This is a must. And inside the training, they're going to go ahead and show you ways to rank inside the GPT store, ways to make affiliate commissions inside the GPT store, ways to be able to get not only affiliate commissions, but also be able to build your list and send traffic to your website anywhere you want, automatically with on-site traffic. So this is very much like the on-site traffic that I was getting with Amazon on-site video reviews. So this is going to be inside of ChatGPT, inside their new store, and it is untapped. It just opened, and I've already seen results with this strategy. It's super amazing. They tell you about it here, 17 bucks, great offer, blah, blah, blah. But let's jump in the back end and see what it comes with. So one, it tells you about what the GPT store is, how to get in there, and then they show you an over-the-shoulder what you need to do to create a custom GPT. Now, what's great about this is that they also show you how to rank, how to use Quora to rank and get people onto your GPT, how to use Medium to get people onto your GPT, how to use Facebook to get people onto your GPT, how to do other ways to spread the word about your GPT, and basically how to turn GPTs into affiliate marketing machines that are professional sellers for you, while people are hungry grabbing up this information that these GPTs are providing. And so they're going to also show you how to build your email list, and you're also going to show you how to rank on Google with these GPTs, which is pretty awesome. Now, this has enormous possibilities, and they only scratch the surface of what's possible, but they give you about 5 or 10 ways to be able to monetize the new GPT store in your favor. And it's super powerful. Like I said, I was blown away by the information inside. I've already started doing this strategy, and I've already seen results, and it's only going to grow from here. And right now, it's super easy because anybody can do this in 5 or 10 minutes, and you could create 5 of these a day, 10 of these a day, 100 of these a day, and you can start carving out niche traffic for yourself, and you have all the delivery done in the back end by ChatGPT for you. So it's pretty amazing. So if you see here, I've already been able to rank some GPT properties in here inside of the store, which is pretty cool. It's amazing. I've been able to test it out, and I've already gotten some sales on the back end offer that I created for my GPT. So basically, I have my GPT, and then when my GPT is done, it actually sends them to an offer that is congruent with whatever my GPT gives. And so everybody who uses it, every time, it gives them an offer and lets them know, hey, you can go ahead and do this. And so I send them to my offer for my TikTok Shop Affiliate Backdoor Approval, which you're going to get for free if you decide to pick this up. But I've been sending people here, and then they're able to go ahead and purchase, which is pretty great. So this here, like I said, is a no-brainer. This is something that you definitely need to get on. Now, if you don't do their offer and their program and stuff like that, that's fine. You don't need to do that. But the GPT Store, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're doing courses, whether you're doing rank and rent, this is something you need to get on right now. The time is of the essence. This is today money type stuff. Whenever I talk to my students, I always tell them there's different ways to make money. So there's today money, there's 30-day money, 60-day money, 90-day money. And you always have to keep in mind how you're going to get paid and what you're going to get paid on the different things that you do. This here has the opportunity to be today money, right now money. And you can get thousands and thousands of people on your offer organically without having to drive traffic. The traffic is on site, and on-site traffic is always the most powerful. So hopefully this review was helpful. Like I said, it is packed just for the front end. Now they do have a bunch of OTOs, but the front end is super powerful, has a lot of information, and gives you everything you need to be ready for this new gold rush and to run and conquer the GPT store. This is awesome. Let me not say it again. You need to be in the GPT store. This is a no-brainer. You got to do it. This is like the .com rush right now. So check it out. Check out the training. Pick up my bonus. And I look forward to seeing your successes. After you've done it, after you've produced some of your GPTs and you've got some traffic, let me know. I'd love to see your successes. Thank you so much for watching. This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, with the review for GPT Store Exposed.